Hannah Lance.
I'm Hannah Fielder.
And we're doing the Solar Lab.
Okay, so we're modeling ours with 3 different sizes of bottles.
We have a 3 liter, a 2 liter, and then just like a regular Gatorade bottle.
So this one's going to go inside of both of those. We're going to cut the bottoms off, and I'm going to paint this one black while she's cutting the bottoms off. So we're going to start.
To cut straight.
I just kind of stopped it.
Just kind of
like open that up and then just use like one.
There we go.
Is there like a paper towel or something to set this on? I don't want the table to get paint on it.
Okay, so there's our bottle painted black, and that's how it's going to be holding the water. And then we'll just be setting this on top of here and this on top of this, and that'll be the insulation for it.
And then to help with extra heat, we have some aluminum foil that we're going to put on the inside bottle to help reflect in.
And that's basically it.